Hello everyone, I'm Tom Loon from Stock Navigators, and today I'm going to demonstrate how an AlgoTrend chart can potentially double your investment. In today's fast-paced market with high-frequency trading, relying on outdated indicators won't be enough. Many traditional indicators were created long before the existence of the computer, and they are no longer keep up with the market's rapid movements. As humans, we have inherent thinking pattern, emotion, and the ability to recognize the colors in the nature. However, in trading, we need to adapt to a basic color code, just like how a traffic light uses the red light for stop, green for go, and yellow for transition. To survive and thrive in this volatile market, you must equip yourself with better tools. Thanks to the advancement of the algorithm of software technology and artificial intelligence, we now have access to exciting solutions that can help navigate the complexity of the market. In this video, I will dive deep into the mechanics of AlgoTrend chart and explore how it can revolutionize your trading experience. The AlgoTrend chart is a proprietary tool exclusively taught in the Stock Navigator Expert Trader course, and I will demonstrate its application for swing trade options. So let's get started and dive into the world of Stock Navigator AlgoTrend chart. So the chart in front of you is a famous ticker ARKK from Cassie Wood ETF fund. In this chart, as you can see that we have multiple colors. So they have a green color means the bull in control, the red color means that the bear in control, and then the salmon color that the transition from the bear getting exhausted, and then they try to find a way to put it back up. You also see the red color, it means that the market is in sideways jumping market, and the yellow color, it means that the bull get exhausted, and then they try to have some correction before they can resume the uptrend. So we have a 6 different combination of color in this chart so that they can tell you where they're heading to. So if you look at this stock here, and you can see that since April 2022, after the COVID, this stock it head up and put it up to the upside, and you can see that the green bar and the green dot here, they will put it stock up to from about $50 up to $160, and then at the about February of 2021, and this stock is heading south. So they transition from the bull to the bull exhausted, and they go to sideways, and then they are in the bear side after they break out this triangle formation here. So the chart turned red, and you see the red bar, red dot, and the stock is coming down from around $60 down to almost $29 before they can find some support and try to find a way back up. And then after the bear gets exhausted, they go sideways, and then they try to find some momentum to put it up to the upside. So in the chart, we also have another shorter term cloud. When you see the cloud here, it's green, it means that the trend is uptrend. When the price is red bar below the red cloud, it means that in the downtrend. So you're looking for the short in the stock market. When it go up, you see that the green bar above the green cloud and about the green dot, so the trend is in uptrend. Vice versa, you can find multiple trend direction that you can trade accordingly. So now let's take a look in the short term how this AlgoTrend chart works. So today I'm going to show you how to use the AlgoTrend chart to potentially double your investment. So the stock right in front of you here is ARKK. After they coming down to beginning of 2023, and then the stock start to put it back up. So after they put it back up, and you can see that after the whole move from the bear side here, they never give you any buy signal until they be able to turn around to give you a green dot, and that transition from the neutral to the buyer step back in and completely the bull in control, and you can see the green bar, green dot. They shoot it back up right into the sell zone. People take some profit after they pull back down, and finally they be able to break out here to move to the next leg to the upside. So you can see that when the market pull back down to be able to break out the downtrend line, the AlgoTrend chart turn to the green bar and the green dot, and this is where I bought the option for this ticker symbol ARKK, and I bought 10 contracts. I enter here, and then they shoot it back up. When it hit to the sell zone, I took the profit. So you can see that by using the very simple color code on the AlgoTrend chart, you'll be able to get in and get out and then you can make the profit right here. So the cost to buy 10 contracts, instead of using $40,000 to buy 1,000 share of this ticker symbol ARKK, I buy 10 contract option. They allow me to control 1,000 share of the ARKK. Only cost me for $3,756.60. So when it hit to the sell zone, I sell it for $11,993.28. So which is the net profit around $8,236.68. So you can see that in the short term again, you can swing trade this ticker symbol, and the profit gain is around 219% gain from over here to up here. And so you can see here when the jack turn green, you can enter here, you put your top loss below here, and then you can see you can manage your risk. And then this is potential risk, and this is the reward. As you can see, it's a big number if you know how to do a risk management correctly. So this is my broker statement from JavaSwap. You can see it very clearly. So I bought this one on May 23rd, 10 contract, only cost me $3.75 per share, and then I sold it for $12. And the fee commission only very cheap, it's $6.60. When you sold it, the 10 contract, the fee commission is $6.72. So it cost you $3,700, and you can sell it for almost $12,000 right there. So that's how you can using the AlgoTrend chart, and you can double your investment. It's just a short term. So there's many stock, many ETF, many fund, many things that out there you can trade. So all you do is just using the AlgoTrend chart and stick with the color code. They tell you where to buy, where to sell, where you get out, and combine with all the tools we are teaching in Stock Navigator. It's very easy for you to identify the trend, and you can stay in the right side of the market. Let me give you another example like IWM. So this is another one, a same concept. So after on this one here is the they call IWM, the ticker symbol for Russell 2000 ETF. As you can see, this one is after they run up, they run down sideways choppy. But finally, they be able to break out a downtrend line here. So stock try to make a new high. They pull back to the buy zone, and then they turn around. And the AlgoTrend chart turn green, they give you a green bar, green dot. They stay above the green cloud, and they push it up to the upside. So we know that the sell zone up here. So I enter right here, and then they shoot it up to the sell zone. I took the profit. You can see that by using risk management, you enter here, your top lot here, and then in the short term, you can see that it costs you by 10 contract option call for the IWM only cost you $5,506.60 instead of spending $178,000 to buy 1,000 share of this ticker symbol. Only cost you $5,500, and then when you hit the up level here, you sell it for almost $40,000. So the net profit is $8,482.68. Just for the short term, the movement from here to here, you'll be able to gain 154% gain. So you can see that how powerful this AlgoTrend chart. It can help you out to define the trend. You can take a long trade here, you can take a short trade here, a short trade here, long trade here. So you have many opportunities that you can see. The AlgoTrend chart will guide you without using any indicator. You can see right in the chart. So this one I bought it on June 6, 2023, and then I sold it on July 18, 2023. So I bought 10 contracts. It only cost me $5,506.60, and then I sold it for $13,999 right there. So you can see that, and with a very little fee and commission, and you can make 154%. So as you can see that you don't need to have a lot of money, okay? You don't have to spend $178,000 for 1,000 share of this ticker symbol. You just buy option. If you know, with the help of the AlgoTrend chart, it very clearly define the trend direction. You can jump in, you can get out, and take your profit and run. Okay, so as you can see that the AlgoTrend chart is the game changer in trading. It simplifies everything by putting a different indicator into one chart, and say goodbye to confusing chart and embrace this new way of understanding the trend and the price action. Remember, trading can be very risky if you rely on the tip from your friend or listen to the TV or internet news. It's the best way to stay out of the stock market unless you learn to read the chart scientifically with the help of artificial intelligence. So thank you for your support, and I hope this video have enriched your trading knowledge. See you in the next video, and happy trading everyone. Take care.